Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is
Hey
vapi.ai and
there.
I'm a student of Rehan School Korangi campus. So today we have the vapi.ai. So let's go and talk to her and conversation the one topic. Hello Vapi, how are you?
Hey there. Nice to meet you. I'm here to help with whatever you need. So, what's on your mind today?
So today's in my mind like interesting topic. So and this topic name is mastering a fixed time tracker for accurate billing. Can you tell me little about this
Ah,
topic?
sure thing. Mastering a time tracker for accurate billing is super important, especially for professionals who bill by the hour. It helps track your time spent on different tasks or projects, making sure you get paid for every minute of your hard work. With a good time tracker, you can analyze your productivity, manage your time efficiently, and ultimately increase your revenue. It's a handy tool for freelancers, consultants, and anyone who needs to keep track of their time. So, are you thinking of trying out a time tracker yourself?
Yes, so Vapi, my first question from you, what is a fixed time tracker and why is it important for freelancers?
Hey, it's Vappy, not Rappy. But that's okay. Upwork's time tracker is a tool designed for freelancers to track their billable hours and automatically invoice clients. It takes periodic screenshots to ensure that the freelancer is actually working on the project. It also tracks keyboard and mouse activity to provide proof of work. This kind of tracking can be really important for freelancers to maintain transparency with their clients and ensure accurate billing. It's also a way for freelancers to build trust and credibility with their clients. So, yeah, it's definitely important for freelancers who use platforms like Upwork.
That's really awesome. Thank you so much for your answer. How does the time tracker ensure
You're
accurate
wel-
billing for clients?
The time tracker helps ensure accurate billing for clients by tracking the actual time a freelancer spends on a project. It records the start and end times of each task, tracks any breaks taken, and even captures screenshots to show the work progress. This transparency allows clients to see exactly what they're paying for and provides a level of accountability for both parties. It helps eliminate any disputes over hours worked and ensures that freelancers are compensated fairly for their time and effort. It's a win-win situation for both freelancers and clients.
Okay, Vapi, can you add some more details in your answer?
Absolutely. The time tracker not only records the time spent on a project, but also categorizes the time based on different tasks or projects. This detailed breakdown helps clients understand how their budget is being allocated and provides insight into the progress of the work. Additionally, some time trackers offer features like activity monitoring, which tracks keyboard and mouse activity to show the level of engagement during working hours. This data can be valuable for freelancers to analyze their productivity and for clients to ensure they are getting the expected results. Overall, the time tracker plays a crucial role in promoting transparency, efficiency, and fair compensation in freelance work relationships.
That's really interesting answer. Thank you so much for your answer. Can you explain how to start and stop
You're
the
welcome.
time tracker on Upwork?
Sure thing. Starting and stopping the time tracker on Upwork is pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to download the Upwork desktop app. Once you have it installed, you can simply open the app and select the project or contract you're working on. Then you just click the Start button to begin tracking your time. When you're done working on that task, you can click the Stop button to end the tracking. It's as simple as that. The app will automatically log the time you've spent on the project, and you can review and submit the hours to your client for billing. Easy peasy, right?
Yeah, but please can you add some more details in your answer?
Glad to hear. Of course. After you start the time tracker on the Upwork desktop app, it will run in the background, quietly tracking the time you spend on the designated project. You can also add manual time entries if needed, and the app will capture periodic screenshots to ensure transparency and accountability. When you're ready to stop tracking, simply click the Stop button, and the app will finalize the time entry. You can then review the hours tracked, add any notes or details, and submit the hours for payment. The whole process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making it easy for freelancers to accurately track and bill their time.
Okay, Vapi, thank you so much for your amazing answer. What steps should you take to ensure
You're
time
welcome.
tracker is properly recording your work?
To ensure that the time tracker is properly recording your time, you should first make sure that you have the Upwork desktop app installed and updated. Then, when you start working on a project, double check that you have selected the correct contract or task to track your time. Additionally, periodically review the time tracker's logs and screenshots to verify that it's capturing your work accurately. Lastly, make sure that your computer's power settings or any third-party apps are not interfering with the time tracker's functionality. Taking these steps will help ensure that your time is being recorded accurately.
That's really awesome. Thank you so much, Vapi, for your answer. And how does Upwork's time tracker handle idle time? And how does it affect billing?
You're welcome. Upwork's time tracker is designed to handle idle time by automatically detecting periods of inactivity. When it detects that you're not actively working, it pauses the time tracking for the period. This means that you won't be billed for any time when you're not actively engaged in the project. It's a great feature that ensures clients are only billed for the actual work done, and it helps maintain fairness and transparency in the billing process.
Okay, thank you so much, Vapi. So, can you add some more details
You're
into
welcome.
your answer?
Certainly. Upwork's time tracker handles idle time by automatically pausing the time tracking when it detects inactivity. This includes moments when you're away from your computer or not actively working on the tracked project. The app uses keyboard and mouse activity to determine when you're taking a break or not working. This idle time is not included in the billable hours, ensuring that clients are only charged for the time when the freelancer is actively engaged in the project. This feature promotes fairness and accuracy in billing, benefiting both freelancers and clients.
Thank you so much, Vapi, for your answer. And my another question from you: Are there any
You're welcome.
specific settings within the time tracker to adjust for battery accuracy?
Within the time tracker, there are specific settings that can help conserve battery life on your device. For example, you can adjust the frequency of the app's screen capture feature to reduce its impact on battery usage. Additionally, you can customize the app's notifications and alerts to minimize unnecessary background activity. These settings can help ensure that the time tracker operates efficiently without draining your device's battery.
Okay, but please can you add some more details in your answer?
I'm glad to help. In addition to adjusting the frequency of screen captures, you can also manage the app's permissions to limit its access to certain device features that may consume more power. For example, you can grant the app access to necessary resources while restricting access to non-essential functions. This can help optimize battery usage while the time tracker is running. It's all about finding the right balance between functionality and efficiency.
Thank you so much, Vapi, for your answer. And what are work diaries on Upwork and how do they relate to time tracker?
I'm sorry, I didn't quite understand your question. Could you please rephrase it or
Okay.
provide more context?
What are work diaries on Upwork and how do they relate to time tracker?
Word diaries on Upwork are detailed records of the work completed by freelancers. They include information about the tasks performed, the time spent on each task, and any relevant notes or details. These diaries are directly related to the time tracker as they provide a comprehensive overview of the freelancer's activities during a project. The time tracker data, such as the start and end times of tasks, and the recorded screenshots, can be used to create accurate Word diaries, enhancing transparency and accountability for both freelancers and clients.
That's really awesome. Thank you so much for your answer. How frequently does Upwork's time
You're
tracker
welcome.
take screenshots and how does this impact transparency?
The Upwork time tracker takes randomized screenshots at regular intervals while the tracker is active. The frequency of these screenshots can be adjusted by the freelancer, with options ranging from every 10 minutes to every 6 hours. This feature impacts transparency by providing clients with visual proof of the freelancer's work progress. It helps build trust and confidence by offering to like a person. So,
My day is going
how's your
very
day
good,
going?
Pat. My last question from you. So, would you like to give the advice with our audience?
Absolutely. I'd love to give some advice. How about we talk about the importance of staying curious and open minded? It's always good to keep learning and exploring new things. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a good advice. Like we
Great.
yeah, so we are learning some new things. We are knowing some. We are learned about some AI because future is AI. So we are learned about AI. What is AI? How can AI works, and what is the future of AI? So thank you so much, Pepe, for your very beautiful advice for my viewers. And thank you so much for your thank you so much for sharing some insightful knowledge to me and to my viewers. I am very grateful to you and see you soon with the another interesting topic about Upwork. Bye bye.
You're welcome. It's great to hear that you found the advice helpful. And thank you for having me on your show. I'll see you soon. Take care and bye.